Bodies have been bruised, necks broken, careers ended in an instant. Yes, this is entertainment, but the hazards are real no matter who you are. Whatever you do, please don't try this at home.
Whoa, 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 y'all ready, y'all ready? Hey, you gotta feel it. Yeah, we need more girls to do it. What's up? Hey, y'all see some moves right now. Yes, right. Watch out for some more moves for the man. So we want everybody back there. If you're around the garage area, stand up, please. Hold on, stand up. Hold on for us. Stand up. Hold up. What do you right now? Let's check out what you got for us. Oh God. The loudest pop in GH. I want you all to hear this one loud. Let's go. Yes, sir. Let it go. Come on. Y'all survive. Come be part of it. If you get mine, just come. You know it's want you here too, Gongazzi. Yeah. Oh, Gongazzi's on that. Hey, Gongazzi's on us some moves right now. Yes, right. Watch out for some more moves for the man Gongazzi.